Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. I've seen in the comments people are looking for part-time evening work to work around other jobs, to make a little bit of extra money, work around any kind of other obligations that you have during the day. So this one is for you. ShareBite is a leading meal benefits platform for companies to feed their employees. Their platform allows employees to place meal orders with their favorite restaurants while helping combat food insecurity in local communities. They are hiring a customer care associate. This is part-time evenings and is for the United States only. But if you don't mind customer service, you'll receive training to be fully versed in all of ShareBite's product offerings. You'll learn customer dynamics and operations and utilize a problem-solving skills to make sure that the customers are happy. So you're going to work directly with customers to answer any questions and resolve any problems that they have. You'll use both email and phone calls to provide great service in a timely manner, making sure that the customer success operations, procedures, and systems are followed. While talking with the customers, you're also going to look and try to identify trends and opportunities for the company to improve the product, and you're going to relay that feedback back to your supervisors and managers. Now, of course, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody who has 2 years or more experience in customer service. They prefer somebody who has experience in some kind of fintech company, but that is not required. You do need excellent communication skills, excellent problem-solving skills, and they want someone who is coachable and will take feedback and run with it. And of course, you also have to be a self-starter. Now, the pay range for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour to $28 an hour, and due to it being a part-time job, it does not have a benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free, as always, to put anything specific that you're looking in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.